Assalamu alaikum to all my students. Today the topic of our lesson is the early Muslims. I am going to give you a synopsis of the achievement of the Muslims through different dynasties and their achievements. In the 7th century, when the rightly guided caliphate came to an end, with the death of the 4th caliph Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu anhu, the influence of Islam had spread beyond Arabia. Major expansion took place during the caliphate of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu anhu. The very first dynasty we are going to discuss about is Umayyad dynasty. The Umayyad dynasty came to power under Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan, who was the governor of Syria. He shifted the capital to Damascus, a city of historical importance. Muhammad bin Qasim invaded Sindh and captured land up to Multan. Also, they made Cordoba their capital and made it one of the most finest city in the world. Cordoba's university was the largest and the best institution of its time. Okay, do you know about Gibraltar? Gibraltar is a variation of Jabal al-Tariq. Jabal mean pahad, Tariq's hill. It is said that having landed on Spanish soil, Tariq ordered half his ships to be burned. There would be no turning back for his men, who had to go ahead. The other half of the fleet was hidden behind the cliffs. So why he did that? For his army, कि अपनी आर्मी को इनकरेज करने के लिए कि या तो उनके लिए कि कुछ बैकअप का कोई उनके लिए कोई उम्मीद ना रहे कि हमारी कश्तियाँ पीछे हैं और हम उनमें बैठ के वापस भी जा सकते हैं। उसने सारी कश्तियों को जला दिया ताकि आर्मी जो है वो अच्छे से फ़ाइट कर सकें। इसी पहाड़ को जबल अल तारिक के नाम से कहा जाता है और फिर बाद में इसका नेम चेंज हो के जिब्राल्टर हो गया। इट इज़ कॉल्ड जिब्राल्टर्स रॉक, यू कैन सी इन द इमेज ऑल्सो। Okay, the next dynasty is Abbasid. In the Islamic history, Abbasid period is known as the age of wealth and culture. The most important contribution by Arabs was in the field of mathematics. As you can see in the image, that use of ज़ीरो was first. ये सबसे पहले यूज़ किया गया अब्बासिद के दौर में, और फिर उसके बाद अलजबरा की ईजाद की गई। अलजबरा और एल्गोरिथम बनाया अल-ख्वाज़मी ने अब्बासिद दौर में। Mamun established Baitul Hikmah, the house of wisdom in Baghdad. He was also belongs to Abbasid. The Europeans learned astronomy, cartography, the science of map making and use of different instruments through Arabs. As you can see in the image, house of wisdom in Baghdad. Baghdad में जो house of wisdom बनाया गया मामून ने जो बनाया इसके अंदर। और इसके अलावा एस्ट्रोनॉमी में एस्ट्रोलिप और यूज़ ऑफ कंपस ये भी इसी दौर में बनाया गया। Here we are going to know about the Crusades. From the 11th to 30th century, the Muslim world was invaded by the European Crusades. Their Christian fighters were called Crusades because the Latin word for the cross, a Christian symbol, is crus. कि जो उनके क्रिश्चियंस का जो सिंबल है क्रॉस का, उसको क्रस कहा जाता है, तो उसी से नेम बन गया उनका क्रूसेडर्स। Now we will discuss about the effects of the Crusaders. As you know, these Crusaders were Christians. So Christians in Spain were inspired and became successful in leading a reconquest of Spain, of regain control of Spain from the Muslims. या मुसलमानों से उन्होंने चाहा कि हम ये कंट्रोल जो है मुसलमानों से वापस ले लें स्पेन का, तो वो ऐसा करने में कामयाब भी हो गए क्योंकि क्रूसेडर्स बिलोंग्स टू क्रिश्चियंस। Okay, then the Fatimid dynasty. The Fatimid were based in Egypt, where they founded the city of Cairo. It's mean that Fatimid जो dynasty है basically मिस्र से belong करते थे। Their empire stretched from Syria and part of eastern Arabia to Sicily, Malta and right across North Africa to Morocco. इन सारे areas तक इनका empire stretch हो चुका था, यानी इन सारे इलाकों तक इनकी सल्तनत फैल चुकी थी। Okay, then here is Seljuk Empire. The founder of this dynasty was Seljuk Beg and the empire was established by Tughral Beg. The Seljuk ruled over territory from Turkey in the west to modern Uzbekistan in the east, and the Persian Gulf and Oman to the south. As you can watch the drama, you are watching the drama in these days about this topic, so that is also belongs to that dynasty. Then there is the Ayyubid. Ayyubid, founded by Nuruddin Zangi, its most famous ruler was Salahuddin al-Ayyubi. The Ayyubid empire was based in Syria. Basically इनका ताल्लुक जो है वो शाम से था, ये अयूबिद का. Then there is the Mamluk dynasty. After Salahuddin al-Ayyubi, Mamluk came to power. Mamluk can be called as slave dynasty. इनको भी कहा जाता है. Mamluk mean slave. They are also called the slave dynasty, as I told you that the word Mamluk means slave, gulam yani ke. Then there were the Ottoman dynasty. Ottoman, one of the longest ruling dynasties. सबसे ज़्यादा रूल करने वाली जो dynasties हैं उसमें से एक Ottoman dynasty है. Among their notable rulers were Muhammad II, the conqueror of the Constantinople. Constantinople को इसने फतह किया था. Suleiman the Magnificent and the Selim II. ये इनके notable rulers थे इसमें से. Then there is the Mongol dynasty. Mongols were fierce and ruthless people. They appear to have spread devastation wherever they went. यानी कि ये लोग तो हर जगह पर जहाँ जाते थे वहाँ पे तबाही फैलाते थे. Two of their memorable leaders were the Genghis Khan and the Hulagu Khan. Mongols converted to Islam in the 30th and 40th century में. इनके 30th and 40th century में इन्होंने इस्लाम कबूल कर लिया और इस्लाम की तरफ आ गए.